How to fix Reddit no sound problem. If you have this problem, today I will show you how to fix it easy and quick. Open first your settings of your phone, open your apps option, search for Reddit, open Reddit and come here to permission. Make sure that you give permission to all of these options that you see here and then go back, click on force stop. Click OK, then come to your Play Store or App Store, update your Reddit on the last version. Right now, restart your phone, and then you will see that your problems is being solved. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and bye.